In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create horizontal scrolling images in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to enhance the visual appeal of your website or want to showcase your images in a unique way, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account and navigate to the site you want to edit. Once you're in the Site Management section, look for the option to enter the edit mode. This is where all the magic happens. You'll get to tweak the design and layout of your web pages to fit your personal style and needs. With the site editor open, it's time to add a new section. To do this, locate and click on the Add Section button, typically found at the bottom of the page. This allows you to introduce new content areas to your site, giving you the flexibility to add different elements like text, images, or features that suit your requirements. In this case, we're focusing on images. Now, select the Images option. This section offers various layouts to present your images. Your task here is to choose the layout that best fits your design vision for showcasing images horizontally. Remember, the effectiveness of your image display is influenced by the layout you choose. So take a moment to explore your options. After selecting your preferred image layout, hit the Edit section button. This will bring up a set of customization options where you can adjust and tailor the image section to your liking. Here, you have the opportunity to refine the display settings, ensuring your images scroll in a way that enhances their visual impact. Next, you'll need to click on Slideshow Simple. This is an essential step because it activates the horizontal scrolling effect, transforming a static image display into a dynamic, engaging slideshow. Through this feature, viewers can seamlessly navigate through your image gallery from left to right, giving them a smooth browsing experience. Then, proceed to click on the Thumbnails option. This is a useful feature that adds small preview images underneath the main slideshow. Thumbnails not only enhance the aesthetics, but also provide users the ability to quickly identify and jump to specific images that catch their interest. To wrap things up, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the page. This is a crucial step. Without saving, all your hard work could be lost, and you'd have to start over. By saving, you ensure that your newly created horizontal scrolling image gallery is active and viewable on your live site. And there you have it. Creating a horizontal scrolling image gallery on Squarespace is a fantastic way to give your website a modern and interactive touch. Follow these steps, and you'll have a beautifully presented gallery in no time. Enjoy the creative process, and remember to check how the changes look in both mobile and desktop views to ensure a seamless user experience across all devices. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!